Hello and welcome to this NIM tutorial on Self-Service Password Reset Part 3. 4 filters are required for a successful setup of the password reset system. Let's set them up. Go to Processing Filters. Our first filter will insert records into the password reset table by using data from the source system. This filter should start at the source system and have any relation to the target systems in which passwords will be reset. In addition, it should have a no relation to the internal password reset table so that it only returns users who do not yet have records in that table. Our next filter is the update filter. This filter will return all users who currently have a record in the internal password reset table and will be used to keep that record up to date with information from the source system. This filter should start at the source system and have any relation to both the target systems in which passwords will be reset and the internal password reset table. Our next filter is the delete filter. This filter will remove records from the internal password reset table that do not match up with records from the source system. This prevents, for example, ex-employees from being able to reset their account passwords. This filter should start at the internal password reset table and have a no relation to the source system. Our next filter is the profile lookup filter, which can be a child of the update filter. This parameterized filter will be used by the password reset app to look up and validate a single user based on their unique identifier. This filter will also return information about the user's account in the target systems, which will be used to reset their password. You will need to create a parameter called external ID. Underneath the internal password reset table, it should have an expression that compares that parameter to the value of the external ID column of that table. With those filters in place, we can configure the password reset profile. I'll see you again in Part 4.